Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. NK Heavy Duty Solid Rubber Flat Free Tubeless Hand Truck. Size 10 inches by 3.5 inches. Brand K&N. Wheel size 10 inches. Item weight 2.5 pounds. Item diameter 4 inches. Vehicle service type truck. Color black or gray. Number 2. 2-pack 4.8 each 4.00-8 flat free wheelbarrow tire. 3.50 to 8, made of solid polyurethane foam, prevent from getting punctured or deflated, have a service life longer than other ordinary wheelbarrow tires, save your money and time. Wheelbarrow tire 4.80 4.00-8, 15 to 16 diameter, 3.15 2.50-8, 13 diameter, and 4.00 to 6, 13 diameter. Tire diameter 368 mm, axle hole 16 mm. 3/4 and 5/8 bearing replacement, tire diameter 14.5, tire width 3.18, axle bore diameter 5/8, centered hub 3, load capacity 300 lbs. Please check carefully before buying, or tire size, hub length and axle. Number 3. MaxxHaul 12, flat free solid polyurethane all-purpose replacement tire. Flat free design, made from high quality solid polyurethane. This tire ensures worry-free performance by preventing damage, punctures, or deflation. Versatile replacement, ideal for trailer dollies, hand trucks, carts, and more, making it the perfect replacement wheel for various applications. Robust load capacity, with a load capacity of 330 pounds or 150 kilograms, this tire is built to handle heavy loads with ease. Number 4. 2-pack. 2.50 to 4 solid PU run flat tire wheel assemblies, 8 flat free tubeless. Brand National Standard. Wheel size 8 inches. Item diameter 8 inches. Load index 1.00. Color black. Number 5. 4.10 or 3.50 flat free tire and wheel, 10 solid tire with 5/8 axle bore hole. Size 10. Brand Jakul. Wheel size 10 inches. Item weight 6.7 pounds. Item diameter 10 inches. Vehicle service type truck, go-kart. Color black.